Hey y'all, another day, another meal in this lake house.
I'm finally catching the gophers. Oh, I don't know if y'all can see that or not. It's blurry. See the gophers finally? Yes, there's the gophers. It's so hard to get them. If they see anybody sitting out, oh, they will. Oh, there went one. Oh, y'all stop fighting. Yeah, that's gophers. They see anybody out and they will not come out. They just don't like people. But I'm being very still. Look at that. They're coming up real close too. That's the first time I've seen them come up that close. Look at that. That other one went down to get it a drink of water down there by the bridge. The geese are keeping a very close eye on it too. Where'd that other one go? I think it's hiding behind that tree. But I finally got the gophers. One's getting water. One's playing hide and go seek from me. Oh, there it is. You see it? Farthest tree to your right. It's right. It's peeking out. There it is. See it? There it is. The geese don't seem to mind it. I'm finally getting to get them. That's as close as it's on me. That's as close as I'm going to get without my camera getting blurry. He's going down to get him a drink of water. Or her. I don't know. Going down to get it a drink of water. Geese don't seem to mind. Oh, there's the other one. Munching on the clover. Right there by that light pole. Munching on the clover. Yeah. There they are. Finally got you, you little wascally gophers.
Slow down, Mommy. I shushed a baby. How sweet.
Alright, this one's going to be easy peasy. Y'all know that leftover cauliflower rice and a little bit of cabbage I had left over? Well, looky here. Tonight, I browned up a pound of ground beef. And I just threw in some spinach for a little bit extra. I threw in a little bit of ginger, soy sauce, and honey to make it like a little Korean beef bowl. I couldn't get much simpler than that tonight. And on mine, I'm going to be adding just a little bit of sweet chili sauce. Dear hubby, my total sugars, 4 grams. 4 grams added sugars. That's like 8 grams sugars. Get maybe a teeny tiny bit he can have. Okay, he'll be home, so he can lay down if he needs to sleep it off if it bothers him. But that's going to kick it up just a little bit more. So, y'all, easy peasy tonight's meal. I just found something else to throw in there. Used some leftovers from last night, and there we go. I'll let you see when I get it plated up, okay? Use those leftovers and that's in your refrigerator and repurpose them and carry them down to the next meal. And I'm spitting all over myself. I'm going to have to wash my hands and wash my face, I guess. Okay, repurpose those leftovers in your refrigerator. Carry them down to the next meal. Find something to do with them. I'll let you see what this looks like when I get it all plated up. Y'all, that didn't take but about 20 minutes. Korean beef bowl. Using some leftovers. And I drizzled some of that sweet chili sauce on top of mine. That's tonight's meal. Don't let your money go down the drain. Use them up. Repurpose them. I will catch y'all in another helpful video just like this one. Stay tuned. More to come.